Now, today we'll discuss about the indefinite integration. Indefinite integration standard formulas. These formulas, yeah, problems is very easy. Carefully learn these formulas, standard formulas, indefinite integration. First one, integration of x power n dx equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c integration x power n dx. Second one, integration of constant, any constant, integration of 1 into dx equal to x plus c. Third one, integration of a power x dx equal to a power x by log a base e. Fourth one, integration of 1 by x dx equal to log mod x plus c. Log mod x plus c. Next, fifth one, integration of 1 by x square. Integration of 1 by x square dx equal to integration of 1 by x square dx equal to minus 1 by x plus c. Sixth one, integration of e power x. Integration of e power x dx equal to e power x plus c. E power x plus c. C. Seventh one, integration of 1 by root x. Integration of 1 by root x dx equal to 2 root x plus c. 2 root x plus c. These all are algebraic formulas in that integration. Then next is the trigonometry formulas in the integration. Trigonometry formulas in the integration. Eighth one, trigonometry formulas. Integration of sin x dx equal to integration of sin x dx equal to minus cos x plus c. Integration of cos x dx equal to only sin x plus c. Sin x plus c. Next, integration of secant square x. Integration of secant square x dx equal to tan x plus c. Integration of secant square x dx equal to tan x plus c. Integration of cosecant square x dx equal to minus cot x plus c. Next, integration of secant x into tan x. Integration of secant x into tan x equal to only secant x plus c. Next one, integration of cosecant x, integration of cosecant x into cot x equal to minus cosecant x, integration of cosecant x into cot x equal to minus cot x plus c. Minus cot x plus c. These all are in the trigonometry formulas in the integration. Next, hyperbolic functions in the integrations. Hyperbolic functions in the integrations. See, integration sin h of x dx equal to cos h of x plus c. Integration of cos h of x dx equal to sin h of x plus c. H means hyperbolic functions. Similarly, integration of secant h square x. Secant h square x dx equal to secant h of integration of secant h square x tan h of x plus c. Next, integration of cosec h square x. Cosec h square x dx equal to minus cot h of x plus c. Minus cot h of x plus c. Next, secant h of x integration secant h of x tan h of x dx equal to minus secant h of x plus c minus secant h of x plus c. These are the last one. One more is the cos h of x cot h of x dx equal to 19th integration cosec h of x into cot h of x dx equal to minus cot h of x plus c. These are the hyperbolic functions in the integration. Hyperbolic functions in the integration. Next, inverse functions 20. Inverse trigonometric functions integration. These are most important. 1 by under root over 1 minus x square dx equal to 1 by under root over 1 minus x square dx sin inverse of x plus c. Sin inverse of x plus c. Next one, integral 1 by under root over 1 plus x square dx. 1 plus x square dx sin h inverse of x plus c. 1 by under root over 1 minus x square sin inverse of x plus c. 1 by under root over 1 plus x square dx sin h inverse of x plus c. Next one, 1 by under root over integral 1 by under root over x square minus 1 into dx equal to cos h inverse of x plus c. Integral 1 by no root nana 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to tan inverse of x plus c. 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse of x plus c. 1 by 1 minus x square. 1 by 1 minus x square dx equal to tan h inverse of x plus c. Integral 1 by mod x under root over x square minus 1 into dx secant inverse of x plus c 1 by mod x under root over x square minus 1 into dx secant inverse of x plus c. Next last one, integral 1 by mod x under root over 1 plus x square dx equal to minus cosec minus cosec h inverse of x plus c minus cosec h inverse of x plus c. These are the standard formulas of indefinite integration formulas.